What's the one thing that can make or break your travel experience? It's not the destination, it is the right gear you bring along. But how do you know which gadgets are worth packing? Well, packing essentials like a power bank, noise-canceling headphones, and personal safety devices is a no-brainer. But what if you could go beyond the basics? Imagine having a gadget that shields you from those dreaded public toilet seats, or one that keeps your luggage wheels rolling like new, no matter how rough the journey gets. So today, we are about to take you on a countdown journey of 10 smart gadgets, which you would never have thought of packing with you. Trust me, your future travel self will thank you because this is the next level travel prep. Number 10, travel pillow for extra luggage. Let's face it, traveling is exciting, but fitting everything into your luggage is a nightmare. So what if I told you that your neck pillow could double as extra luggage? Sounds odd? Let me explain. This travel pillow isn't your ordinary neck pillow. With an adjustable neck size, it's comfy for everyone. But here's the twist. It fits 3+ days of travel essentials. Yup, it transforms into a carry-on solution, saving space and your sanity. Plus, the soft velvet cover is so luxurious you'll wonder, do I really need a hotel? Without bulky fillers, it's ultra-light and effortlessly portable. Say goodbye to heavy carry-ons and hello to a travel pillow that does double duty with style. Its clever design keeps it lightweight while giving you space to pack your soft essentials. Because who said smart packing can't be comfortable too? Why pack extra bags when your pillow has your socks, shirts, and anything you want? So, are you ready to ditch the hassle and embrace smart travel? Then there's a tip for you. Try only packing the soft stuff like clothes in it so you can have an even softer pillow. Number 9, wrist wallet. Are you sick of having to carry keys, money, and identification cards in your pockets when traveling? Then here's what you have been looking for. A wrist wallet! How cool is that for on-the-go travel convenience? It comes in 2 sizes, short and long. The short version is perfect for your keys, cash, and rings, while the long one takes your ID card, fishing license, and credit cards. Do you also use uncomfortable activity bands that fall off during traveling? No worries! Now you can get rid of those bands with the wrist wallet's comfy design. Whether you are jogging through the airports, cycling on the country roads, or just sightseeing in the new city, this lightweight wrist wallet is perfect. So the real question is, why hasn't this been in your travel arsenal all along? Isn't it time to simplify and secure your trips? Number 8, folding steam iron. Traveling is all fun and excitement until you unpack, only to find your outfits looking like they've been through a blender. And let's face it, what's the point of exploring picture-perfect destinations if you can't capture those unforgettable moments featuring your best, most radiant self? Not anymore? Here is the third must-have, the folding steam iron. This lightweight marvel combines the power of an iron with the magic of a steamer. Plug it in, skip the button, and it is an iron. Now press the button, voila, it's a steamer. Which one do you prefer? Late for the dinner reservation? No problem. With 5-second heat up and 302-degree Fahrenheit power, it gets clothes crisp in minutes. Safe on silk, wool, cotton, and more, it handles any fabric you want. Whether it's hiking gear or evening wear, it's ready. Isn't it time to travel smarter, not harder? Weighing only 1.08 pounds, it's practically weightless. So why pack bulkier irons? We know you are already thinking that why didn't you knew about these gadgets before, right? But it's never too late. You can still have these and make your trips better than ever. But wait, don't go, because we have more to amaze you. Number 7, portable door lock. You are miles away from your home looking to unwind, but can the door of your hotel room be relied upon not to yield to any intruder? Our net gadget is the portable door lock. Your own bodyguard without the extra pounds and the exorbitant price to go with it. This compact TSA-approved lifesaver slips right into your pocket, yet packs a punch strong enough to thwart break-ins. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel for maximum durability and finished with scratch-free silicone caps for added care. It's the ultimate travel companion. Who knew so much peace of mind could fit in your carry-on? It works on inward-opening hinge doors, so whether you're in a hotel, Airbnb, or dorm room, you're covered. Do you know how much a good night's sleep is worth when traveling? Stay safe, stay secure. Travel smarter with the portable door lock. Next is the gadget that you were waiting for so long. So let's check it out. Number 6, disposable seat covers. Public restrooms on the road? We've all been there. Questionable seats and a whole lot of stress. So here is disposable seat cover for your rescue. These extra-large covers, 25 by 24 inches, are big enough to shield the seat sides and front. Perfect for toddlers, kids, and even adults. Isn't it time you stop worrying about what might be lurking on that seat? With 2 no-slip adhesive tabs, they stay put, no sliding, no falling in. And the waterproof PE layer? It blocks all the mess you don't want to think about. Could your travel kit get any smarter? Compact, easy to carry, and oh so practical. These covers are a lifesaver for road trips, airports, and everything in between. Ready to make clean restrooms part of your travel routine? Then grab this magic gadget today! Number 5. Portable Floss. Traveling is all about enjoying multiple cuisines, sticky ribs, gooey pastries, or that mystery street snack. But what happens when your Smile souvenirs stay behind? Now they won't with the portable floss dispenser. At just 3.35 inches and 0.63 ounces, this thing is lighter than your boarding pass. Toss it in your bag or pocket. It's so travel-friendly, you'll forget it's even there. But let's get real, how often do you floss on the go? With its sealed design, you'll get clean, uncontaminated floss every time. And don't worry, it's eco-friendly. Refill it and keep it going trip after trip. Ready to keep your smile as fresh as your itinerary? It is portable, practical, and perfect for travel because your teeth deserve to be pearly white for every trip. Number 4. Shoe Travel Bag. Ever opened your suitcase to find your shoes sharing secrets with your clean clothes? Gross! Well, the Shoe Travel Bag in today's travel tech list is here to save the day for you. Waterproof, lightweight, and packing-friendly, these bags are perfect for keeping your shoes and everything else spotless. Whether you're jet-setting, gym hopping, or hitting the golf course, these bags ensure your kicks stay tidy and your outfits stay fresh. What's your current travel hack for separating shoes? With 2 sizes, standard for ladies' shoes and extra large for men's or multiple kids' pairs, you've got options for every trip. Oh, and let's not forget the smooth custom zippers. Isn't it time your suitcase stayed drama-free? Durable, practical, and multifunctional, these bags make packing shoes simple. So, ready to take your travel organization to the next level? But don't get too comfortable just yet. Traveling isn't just about keeping things tidy, it's about creating a seamless, stress-free experience. That's why we're diving into gadgets that don't just solve problems, but make your journey extraordinary. Imagine gliding through a crowded airport without the clatter of suitcase wheels or exploring a new city without swatting away pesky bugs. These upcoming gadgets aren't just practical, they'll make you wonder how you ever traveled without them. And don't worry, we're saving the best for last. With each item, you'll find yourself one step closer to transforming your travel routine into a high-tech adventure. So, stick around, because what's coming next isn't just innovative, it's downright game-changing. Now get ready for a gadget that protects you even when you're miles away from home. Trust us, you don't want to miss this one. Let's dive into next gadget. Number 3. Mosquito Repellent Bracelets. You're on a dreamy camping trip under the stars, but your arms are turning into an all-you-can-eat buffet for mosquitoes. But now you can fend off these pests with the Mosquito Repellent Bracelet. Made with 100% natural essential oils like geranium, citronella, and lemongrass, these bracelets are DEET-free and safe for the whole family. Plus, they're adjustable, so no matter your wrist size, you're covered. But how do you usually fend off mosquitoes on the go? Each bracelet is individually packed in resealable bags, staying fresh trip after trip. Perfect for beaches, jungles, or even city parks. No more spraying chemicals on your skin. These bracelets keep the bugs away while you focus on what matters. The adventure. Get out there, enjoy the nature, and leave the mosquitoes behind with this simple, natural solution. Number 2. Silicone Luggage Wheel Covers. Ever been that person wrestling with a suitcase that sounds like it's auditioning for a horror movie? Well, it's time to upgrade with Silicone Luggage Wheel Covers. These silicone covers are a game changer. They're super soft, stretchable, and designed to fit 8 spinner wheels. Just check your suitcase first. But here's the best part. They reduce drag and eliminate the annoying noise you get when pulling your bag through busy terminals. Who says travel gadgets can't be functional and fashionable? Made with a unique tire-like texture, these covers provide extra grip for any weather. No more worrying about losing control in the rain or rough sidewalks. Ready for your next adventure, quietly and effortlessly? Make every journey easier and quieter with silicone luggage wheel covers, because your luggage deserves the best. Number 1. Aluminum luggage tags. Ever feel like your luggage is a needle in a haystack? It's time to change that with the aluminum luggage tags. With 6 bold, colorful tags, these beauties make your bag impossible to miss. No more staring at random bags wondering if it's yours. You'll spot your luggage from a mile away. These tags are extra sturdy. In fact, they are made of premium aluminum, tougher than airport security. All tags are scratch-resistant, nearly as bend-proof as bulletproof glass, and so light it is difficult to imagine any more concerns about your tag becoming detached. Worry not about its privacy while using it. Your personal info remains safely stored in the bowels of the beautiful casing. Just your name is visible. Safety comes first, fashion second best. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a globe-trotting adventure, these tags give you peace of mind and style in one. Why just take roads when you have an opportunity to take highways? Feeling prepared to step up your luggage game? Make your bag as unforgettable as your trip with aluminum luggage tags. Safe travels in style. That's a wrap on the ultimate travel tech guide. Hopefully you found your next must-have gadget for your adventures. If you could only take one gadget from this list, which one would it be and why? Plus, what are your best go-to gadgets that you think are a must-to-have? Do share your suggestions and experiences with us so we can add those gadgets in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to upgrade your travel. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.